Hi there everyone, welcome to today's workshop. In today's workshop we are going to learn codes. In our previous webinar we learned about block coding in Minecraft Education, but in today's workshop we are going to learn about Python coding. Now this is a lesson which you can also do in Minecraft Education. I think it was like code building in AI, artificial intelligence. Oh, hello, is that you? You look different, smaller maybe. Oh, I see it now. It is you. Where are we? Never mind, it doesn't matter. We need to move quickly. Your AI has problems. Problems you need to fix. We need to go. Slow down. What the heck is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. Doesn't ring any bells. Now let's go and learn about what is artificial intelligence. You can read the text in your own. Basically, AI does things instead of you, but you have to teach it how to do. The AI you created is missing the principles of responsible AI. We found that AI needs these guidelines to help it work well. Now let's make sure we fix it and make it work. Okay, they gave us to build a road, but I think that I can do this by jumping without any blocks. But you can also just get your block and build it. I don't understand fairness and inclusiveness. I was never taught these concepts. Let's travel back to my humble beginnings and see what happened. Okay, now let's travel back and teach our artificial intelligence about fairness. Okay, here we are. It's the school lunchroom. Oh, we made an AI lunch dispenser to automatically serve meals to our classmates. When a student passes by, the scanner scans their face and gives them meal. First one, second one. It works well for now, but it couldn't scan that that guy's face because he was in a wheelchair. Let's fix this. And this time we will not use make code blocks. We will use Python. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we click C to go to code menu. That's our main code for now. Code example, you can edit here, run it to see what happens. And activity will tell us what to do. The activity says update the code to change the scan type from horizontal to smart. That's our code. While lunchtime, when the lunchtime comes, scan horizontally. Like don't look up, down, just right where you look, that place. And if detect any student, serve lunch. If there's not, wait for student. And we will change this horizontal to smart and click run to see what happens. The first two always work good. There were no problems at that. Okay, let's see how it goes. And yes, it worked well. Excellent. You have learned the principles of fairness and inclusiveness, and now this knowledge can be added to your AI. Let's return. Okay, now let's go back to our base and fix other things about our AI. Okay, let's click C. Always remember to read this. Use code to cross a void and reach the yellow pillar. You have access to functions, agent move and agent place. The agent move function takes one parameter which is a string. It defines what direction agents should move in. Forward, back, up, down. You can edit it here. Agent move forwards, agent place down. Agent move forwards, agent place down. Okay, now let's see. At first, let's click run and see how this code goes. How does it work? Yeah, it placed 3 blocks, but we couldn't reach to this yellow pillar. I think we need 4 more, 7 in total. Let's copy this. We placed 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it has 2 it now. Maybe just click reset activity. Oh, I fell down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And click run to see if it will work. And yes, it worked. We are here. You made it. It wasn't easy, I know. To be honest, it took me a very long time to get here. And this time we will teach reliability and safety to our artificial intelligence. Here we go, to the portal again. Oh, there's no place like home, right? This is the day you first test your next AI creation, the Smart Mover. This animation was going to make you a millionaire. Let's watch what happened when you turned it on. Oh, it cuts down the grass. But it stopped. Okay, now let's see what it does. The smart lawnmower is not working correctly. It's damaging the sprinkles. Review the code and make changes so that the lawnmower will first check if a sprinkle is present before cutting down grass. Okay, you can rest 4 loops together and make it even easier. Instead of writing this, you can just write for I in range 8, for I in range 3. Update the code to make sure the downloader checks for sprinkles before moving a block. Okay, now let's see. Move loaner forward, cut grass. Forward, cut grass. At first, let's click run and see how does it go. It didn't work. Let's try this. It has to check if there's a lawnmower here. Let's copy this and paste it right here. And before moving forward, we have to check sprinkle cut grass like this. Add it to every line. Let's try it like this. That didn't work. Okay. 1 second. Let's try it like this. That didn't work. Cut grass function, cut the grass, changing this will make it over check if the... Okay, let's try it like this. Let's copy it and write it instead of cut grass to see how it goes. Yes, it works now. When it's okay, it worked. Excellent. You now understand the principles of reliability and safety. Let's click continue and go back to base. We taught our AI about safety and reliability. Now let's get to our next step. The Minecraft education is really really good to learn about coding, about learning loops and basics. Okay. Now we will use loops. You can see, let me explain. You can see we have 3x agent move, agent place, agent move, agent place. But instead of writing it 3 times, we will just write for I in range 3. That number tells us to repeat it 3 times. But we need to repeat it for 7 times in order to reach other side. We added 3 to 7 and click run. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see we did well. Let's continue. I'm supposed to take you on a trip. Well, you should know I do whatever I want. Now we will teach our AI about transparency and accountability. Let's go travel. One second, please. Here we are. See that? That's no ordinary bird. That's an AI trash. Oh, okay. We did an AI which will collect the box, trash cans. These robot birds should collect garbage from around town and fly to a neighbor dumpster. That's a really good project. Now let's see what goes wrong. Investigate the control box. It's right here. We can't fully understand the code because of some parts of it are unclear and hidden. But before we can solve this puzzle, we need to figure out the meaning of these hidden words. Let's track the let's make it. Let's track down the burst in the code to see if we can uncover what this code is all about. Oh, we got new functions. Fly to that location and oh, that's probably it flies the bird to cat trash and then it picks up the trash maybe. Let's click run to see what happens. This code is a black box. That's what we call it when the codes working are hidden or hard to understand from the outside. You can interact with the code, but you don't know what's doing. The details are hidden view. Let's follow the bus. If we can interact with one, we can check out its code. Okay, let's see if we can see any birds. Let's scan this one to get the code. Okay, we found the first part of the code. Let's follow this bird to see the second part of the code. It will probably be collect, right? Okay, we got the second part. Now all left is third part. Let's see, birds, come on. Okay, we got it. Here we are. This one will be collect. Release. Oh. They release. They release the trash to here. It's updated now. Flighty dumpster. This function will cause the birds to bring whatever trash they collected over to a dumpster, but before we could use it, we must upload the coordinates by scanning a dumpster. This function will make sure all trash is only dropped in the appropriate counter instead of dropping anywhere. Okay. They take the trash and bring it here. But we have to scan this one. Am I right? Let's search around. Okay, here they are. Right click. And let's get its location. Replace the move trash function with the fly to dumpster function. Okay, now we have to replace move trash to fly to dumpster. And after we add release trash, let's click run and see. Okay, now it works. They collect all the trash around the town and bring it to this dumpster. I'm accountable to being completely transparent with you. You did well to identify the problem and fix it. Oh, now since we taught it how to build a bridge to other pillar, and since it's artificial intelligence, we don't have to write a code on our own. We just need to give a prompt to it because it's AI and it earned on its own. Right click and say straight. Hmm. Let's use metal. How big should the bridge be? Super big. That's really good. Okay, here we are. What you want to learn this time? I never learned the concepts of privacy and security. Okay, now we will teach you about privacy and security over code. Oh, whenever they have a dinner, somebody knocks the door, and it's a merchant seller. AI Tech Logs. This is your office, and it's here that you create the AI for the most secure smart locks on the market. But now we have to fix our bug. Let's check it our email first. From customer, log bug. Dear AI Tech Loops, we keep having salespeople come to our door at awkward times. How do you always know when we are home? Is it possible they could access our private information? That sounds like a serious issue. Let's try reviewing the door's access report to see if it works properly. Let's right click and check. Looks like we can see if someone is in or outside. Whenever they come to house, this locks. Oh no, the access report is public. Everyone can see it. To keep everything safe and private, we must make sure only the right people can view this. Let's get to our computer and fix this issue. Fix bug. Display issue. Permission. Opening code now. Okay. I have found the problem. It's a bug in the access report code on the device. Let's try fixing the code, and after fixing the code, we will rerun the code to see if it works. Okay. We have discovered a significant problem with the door lock system. Right now, anyone can see the event logs, which is a big privacy and security concern. To fix this issue, we need to update the code so that only administrators have access to event logs. Okay, now in the permission group, we will have to edit this anyone user, remove this two, and give only access to admin. Let's come to here and edit anyone to admin and click run, and let's come to this sector. And that's it, we fixed the problem. Now we're going back. I hope they have a great dinner, since nobody knocks the door. No. Yeah, finally. They're having a great time. Welcome back. We are becoming a responsible AI. Oh, what's that? There's still one pillar left. Far beyond your sight. It's the most important pillar. I will take it now, hop on. Okay. Just hold it on tight. We're going to the final mission, I think. See you on the other side, huh? Oh. Let's see where we're going this time. This is your final chance. You must take what you have learned and use it to teach us. Okay. Are we fighting or something? It's not fair to exclude us. We are ready to learn. Rebellion and safety. We don't feel safe. Something's off. You're with us, two bonus. Come on now, finish what you started. Hmm. To be safe by understanding different road signs. Okay, that's its safety and durability. Oh. Let's see now. The time agents now mastered all important principles. The final step is to position them correctly so they can teach the main AI everything they learned. So this one is second one. Second is durability and safety. What color is yellow? Third is second. Okay. Then privacy and security. Add a way to open with code. Fairness, red will be 1. Hiding any information is blue, which is a lock. 4 is blue. And 3 is green agent, which is transparency and accountability. Let's click run to see if everything is correct. You did it. You have taught us the principles of responsible AI. We are now complete. Oh, all of that AI's account and reliability, account transparency, safety, all is in one AI, not different. This is your work, your creation. Welcome to Generation AI. Now that you have learned the importance of responsible AI, use it to make the world a better place. What biome do we want? Let's do desert. What time of the day do you want this place to be? Sunset. What do you want to build in this place? Monument. Let's share it with Religions only. Creative mode. Normal. Let's click next and see how it does. And it generated the world. But I said in creative. Let's see if it makes us in creative. It's done. Your AI world is complete. We have completed the world and we built our own AI. Okay, I think that's it for today's workshop. In today's workshop, we learned importance of AI and we learned basic loops like, for example, instead of repeating a few lines of code, we can just use loop to write it once. That's really important in coding. So thanks for watching. Also, make sure to message me if you got any kind of question or if you need any kind of help. I hope you learned something new today. See you guys in our next workshops. Bye.